friends, coming to you today with another Dollar Tree Christmas decor. You're only going to need 4 items for this project, and it can be made for as little as $2 if you have access to scrap 2x4 lumber. Now what you're going to need, and I shared this early on because I know these 2 items go rather quickly. This is the Santa head that the hat says ho ho ho, super cute. This velvet Santa wine bag, and then here is your Dollar Tree wood alternative. It's exactly the size we need, but if you have a 12-inch piece of 2x4, that is a great free alternative. So this project, if you blink more than twice, you're going to miss it. That's how quick this assembles. I'm going to put the wood in the bag, and then I'm going to attach the head to the bag. And then you'll have a really cute leaning Santa. So I'm just going to assemble it together and then show you the end result. Once I placed my wood in my bag, I also tied a knot in the gold drawstring. Alright friends, we are in my entry hall, and I'm actually re-recording this ending because the lighting is actually better here at night, and you can see my Santa. I've got my milk can here with a stack of books, and he's leaning up in the corner, and I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but he's actually 24 inches tall. He's plenty tall to lean on the side of a fireplace or any little corner you may have in your house. And I have just one little tip for you. When you get ready to put your wood in your wine bag, be sure and put hot glue under and over the top of the bag before you place your head on there, just to give the head a double layer of hot glue. It will help secure the bag in the wood and the head. So it did take a little more hot glue than I expected, but I did get it secure enough to lean like this. I hope you'll look up and find the head and the wine bag, and you can find a special place for your leaning Santa. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back in a few days. Bye-bye.